Hey, Scott Grove here. I'm at a industry trade show, and here with Eddie. This is a portable CNC. It's awesome. It won the 2019 at AWFS show, and I think they submitted again for some new features and software. So let Aaron tell you about it.
Hey, so I'm Aaron. I'm from Yeti Tool UK. This is our brand new Precision Pro Plus smart bench from Yeti Tool. It's got one of our brand new features called Yeti Pilot, which is adaptive feed rate control. So that actually adjusts your feeds and speeds depending on your loading on the tool.
Smart.
We're going to be at AWFS on booth 316.
Booth 316, AWFS, check it out. This is awesome. So if you're looking to get a CNC, but you need to bring it to a job site or close it up and put it away, this is the one to have. Great, thanks
Cool.
for
Thank
seeing.
you,
We'll
Scott.
see you there. Okay.
Should be, and then it will start adjusting speeds.